special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 9:15 p.m. At 7:53 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located over Will, southern DuPage, and southern Cook counties, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high wind and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Hammond Marina, Indiana Harbor, Jackson Harbor, Burns Harbor, Invincible Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois, northwestern Indiana, and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.